missing that personalized attention in your classes. You know what? You have a very tight schedule and you're not able to fit into those normal batches, and you're looking for one-on-one guidance or one-on-one classes. We here at Isha IELTS and PTE classes specialize in providing you that one-on-one classes according to your time schedule. Our face-to-face one-on-one classes are specially curated for the students who are going to give their PTE exam for the very first time, or the ones who have already given it multiple times and still they are lacking in one or two modules here and there. The complete curriculum of the classes is prepared in such a way that we teach you according to your capabilities. Our expert trainers are going to work on your small as well as on your big mistakes. Do not worry about the study material. The complete comprehensive study material along with the tried and tested templates and prediction files will be provided to you so that you can ace your exam in the very first attempt. Many of our students have already cleared their exams with the help of our face-to-face one-on-one classes. And now it's your turn to smash that PTE exam and get your 20 points for your permanent residency. If you feel that you're a little bit shy and you have a very tight schedule but still you want to crack your PTE exam, look no further. Along with the classes, you also get access to our practice labs along with speaking labs as well as the mock test room, so that you are in that study environment and you can get real-time exam environment as well. I want you to fill out this form over here, or you can even contact us on our magic number for further details. Our team is going to get in touch with you super soon. Thank you.